hopefully I look back at this one day and just like appreciate all of the ups and downs, right? Like success isn't one line to the top. Success is an entire, windy, swirly journey this month. I profited total for 4,214.50, and I lost a total of 3,285. So net 929. So overall green, but today was supposed to be the day that I finished my combine, and I did not. There are going to be days when you are psychologically not there all the way, and it affects the way that you're executing your trades. And even though you were right in your thought process about the way price was going to move, the way that I entered and exited trades was ultimately my downfall. If I held this, I would have experienced this entire write up. Now I tried to join the write up, as you can see over here, just chasing an entry because I was upset that I wasn't confident in this entry. I made the same mistakes that I made over the last couple of trading days.
Friends, it was a sad trading session today. I don't even know where to start. When they talk about the psychological aspect of all of this trading stuff, it's very real. It's very, very real. I know my execution is an issue. This is something that's not new. I also wasn't able to think clearly because I saw the end in mind. I saw the finished combine, the XFA, and potential payouts instead of thinking about the trade setup before me, the price action happening in real time right in front of me. Okay, friends, this is my performance today. This is my performance today. It is hideous, absolutely hideous, and I lost $1,000. This is my performance today. I made a total of 9 trades. I profited 4 times and I lost 5 times. My losses were significant losses, okay? This was pre-market and I profited $240. I lost $13.20, and this was today's price action. So let me just show you my execution. I'm gonna go to my 1 minute. You can see how messy my screen is, but I'm still learning, so forgive me. But it validates the decisions that I made while I was in the trade. So Yasmin woke up this morning at a cute little 5:30, okay? I walked my dog, I had my coffee, I had some oatmeal, and then I was like, okay, let me log on to these charts to figure out what's happening. So I started my day around 7:05. I identified some fair value gaps that I saw while having additional old fair value gaps on my screen. I woke up and I thought today is a great buy day. There's a lot of strength with the buys because within this fair value gap, they didn't even retest the midpoint of the fair value gap. It never looked back. This one looked back for a second, but it didn't look back. So I bought here. I was too early because I was like, okay, it didn't look back here, so I need to buy. I bought at the top of this level, this Fibonacci level, and not smart. I had to exit, losing trade. I saw it push up yet again. I said, oh, if I only held for 2 minutes or 3 minutes longer, then I would have been in a good position. If I would have held this initial buy at 18,700, this low was 18,685. So that's 15 points of turmoil. And I left at 18,688. That's when I left. So I bought at 18,700. I exited at 18,688 because I got scared. And it was 12 points I should have held. If I would have held here, guys, I would have easily made the profits necessary to pass my gosh darn combine. I was right in anticipating the movement of the price, but I was not great at my execution and I was impatient. I was extremely impatient with the way that I was executing my trades. I should have waited until I saw a test of this level again, and then I should have bought right here. And so I did kind of buy right there, but then I got afraid of this retracement and I left. If I held this, I would have experienced this entire write up. Now I tried to join the write up, as you can see over here, just chasing an entry because I was upset that I wasn't confident in this entry. And then it rises up again. It rises up yet again. Okay. And so I profit off of some of it, but I was only on I wasn't on the full write up of this rally. I was only on a portion of it. And then I sold here. I was like, okay, it's gonna go short here. So I was short here. I was profiting like $700, $800 at this point, even though that was gonna be break even. But then I was like, okay, it's gonna reject it yet again. It did not. It continued to go all the way up, okay, and it's still up. And so I was just impatient, and I feel like I need to learn from this insight instead of continually repeating the mistake. And all I needed was $1,000 profits, right? I was like, I had So I have a little notepad here so that I can write down how I'm feeling, the questions that I have, what my targets are, all of the things right here. And I even said buying strength, buying strength. But for whatever reason, I was just hoping that it was going to reject a certain level at like the overnight high. No, 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 Yasmin. You need to watch what price is telling you and react accordingly. Let go of your preconceived idea. And also, when you make up your mind about something, have confidence. If I made up my mind to enter at this level because I saw that it was going to bounce off of it, I should have held this all the way up here. I would have been good, guys. It would have been great. It would have been wonderful. I would have been exactly where I wanted to be, and that was 810. I would have been done. But no, 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 no. I had to chase an entry, and then when I chased an entry, it was just chaotic. It wasn't even well thought out, and then I just gave myself a lot more of a headache than I needed. So, yeah, that was basically my trading day today, and it lasted maybe 2 3 hours. This was 7:35. I made my first trade, and my last trade was 9:21, and I went short here, and I experienced all of this turmoil, and then it hit my stop. And I'm also doing manual stops. Not the smartest thing in the world. Not the smartest thing in the world. But that was basically my trading session today, and that's why I didn't pass my combine. Now I'm still in profits. Like I still have profits, but I hit my daily loss limit, which means that that specific account is, I can't trade that again today. Now I can still trade tomorrow and Thursday, which is perfectly fine, and I'm trying to get my mind right so that I don't make the same mistakes. I made the same mistakes that I made over the last couple of trading days. I am not patient when I'm entering. I am not able to hold because I'm scared. And I think that's just a testament of the lack of confidence that I have in my own thought process about why I should be entering and exiting trades. And of course, I'm still upskilling, I'm still learning how to do this. And I think that the more I do it, the more quickly I can fix my mistakes and then, do better next time. So today wasn't a great day. I'm upset that I didn't hit my target. I'm upset that I wasn't confident in my decisions. I'm upset that I didn't complete what I wanted to complete today. And so I needed to take a little walk with my dog. I went to the cafe and I got my mind right. But like, I just want to, I have to make this video. I have to talk about the journey of trying to become profitable. There are going to be days when you are psychologically not there all the way, and it affects the way that you're executing your trades. And even though you were right in your thought process about the way price was going to move, the way that I entered and exited trades was ultimately my downfall. And yeah, so yeah, that was today. Um so yeah, my lessons are: be more clear with myself about why I'm entering or exiting trades. Do not chase an entry. Do not chase an entry. If it is running and you didn't identify the right entry, then let it run. You will have to find another opportunity. Let that one go. And yeah, I don't know. I had to figure out another way to cope with what happened today. But tomorrow is going to be a new day. So I pray somebody learns from my mistakes. Please don't make the same mistakes. But again, like, I don't think anyone talks about how hard it is to, get through your own head, So, yep, that's all the things. So, yes, that was my performance today. If I go to reports and I go to this week, I profited total 2000 and I lost 21, like 2035, and I total lost 2190. So I'm down 155. But if I talk about this month, that I profited total for 4,214.50, and I lost a total of 3,285. So net 929. So overall green, but today was supposed to be the day that I finished my combine and I did not. So hopefully tomorrow is a better day, and I am learning my lesson slowly but surely. So let me know how your trading journey is going. Please let me know what learnings you've had to have while you were pursuing profitability via trading. And if you have any advice for getting through these psychological, blocks, but if you have any advice about how I can be more confident in my entries and my exits and more confident in my open positions and let my trade play out, like please let me know. Please let me know. So yes, it's Yaz, and I'm documenting my journey to trying to become profitable via day trading, hopefully. And I hope this was of some help. And hopefully, I look back at this one day and just like appreciate all of the ups and downs, right? Like, success isn't one line to the top, success is an entire, you know, windy, swirly journey of trials and tribulations. And it matters more what you do as a result of those difficulties rather than what you don't do. Um, so yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Yeah, I'll share that one. This is a testament to this is a marathon, not a sprint. I am playing the long game, not the short game. I want quick wins and I want quick losses. I want to be able to develop a steady understanding of the market, of how price action works, so that I can become profitable and maintain my profitability. But when they talk about the psychological aspect of all of this trading stuff, it's very real. It's very, very real. And so, yeah, I was hoping to finish my combine today. $1,000 away, no big deal. I made more than 1,000 in a trade the day before, and then there was a trade that I could have done that, but I left it because I was afraid of the retracement, and it ended up doing what I thought it would do. And then in another opportunity, I just doubled down on price action and didn't really change my mind, and it was not going the way that I thought it would. So there's a lot of lessons in my little recap of the last couple of days, but yeah, I guess I'll just talk through what happened. And I know my execution is an issue. This is something that's not new. I think I also wasn't able to think clearly because I saw the end in mind. I saw the finished combine, the XFA, and potential payouts instead of thinking about the trade setup before me or the price action happening in real time right in front of me. And because I had the end in mind, it made me operate more out of greed than logic. And I didn't clearly articulate why I was entering or exiting trades. I was just trying to make price do what I wanted it to do instead of understanding what was happening in front of me and then making my decisions accordingly. So that didn't work in my favor. But we live and we learn. This is a marathon, not a sprint. So I don't know where my layouts are. Wait, where's, okay, guys. I'm kind of freaking out. Where's my, see, that one doesn't have it, but this one has it. Oh, this is the September contract. This is the NASDAQ. Let me change this. Let's just say that I had a combine. I was $1,000 away from hitting the profits, and I had made like 1,200 to 1,400 in a trade yesterday. So I was like, cool, I can do that again. No big deal, but just make sure I don't profit too much, or else I'm over profiting and I won't pass my combine. I ended up losing. There's a lot of reasons for it. Oh my goodness, what a roller coaster. Isn't that a roller coaster, guys? Oh my goodness. All right, let's go to where I was executing.